Hey guys, Vinesh here. I'm unboxing the Amazon Fire TV stick this time. Thanks to my friend Eric for lending me his device, and this is the box that it comes in with some of the features on the side and the back of the box, as you can see. On the other side, you have some of the details of the device and the price, which is rupees 4,000 in India. Not sure exactly how much it's in the other places, but well, yeah, it's 4,000. And let me just open it up. There seems to be a black box inside the orange box. So yeah. It seems to be some sort of a pouch containing all the peripherals. Little heavy, so I think there must be quite a lot of stuff here. Let me just open it up. Oh wow, that's like a lot of things inside a small box. Nicely packaged by Amazon. You can see the batteries here, and I'm just removing the remote control. Okay, this is the remote control for the Fire TV stick, not the actual device itself. I guess you can put the batteries in. That's nice of them. This is the power adapter with Amazon branding, because why not? This is for the actual device itself. Let me just get that out. This must be it. Yeah, this is the actual device. It connects to the HDMI port of your TV, and you can work it through the TV remote. Then you have what is this? Wait, let's get this out of the way. This is the USB cable that connects the power adapter to the actual TV stick. And you have another thing here. I'm not sure what it is. Let me just get it out. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a HDMI extender. I guess if you can't control the TV stick with the remote, you can extend it a little bit, so probably better signals. But I guess that's about it. Anyways, this is the booklet that comes with the device. This is just a features booklet. Not much else on this. And this is the the quick start guide for the Fire TV stick. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all that comes with this. So if you guys like the video, do hit like and share with your friends. Also subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.